The graph below models which of the following absolute value equations? When we think of absolute value equations, we want to think of the format absolute value of x minus c equals d, where c is the center of two solutions for the equation and d is the distance from that center to the solutions. Well, we have two solutions. Here's one, let's call negative 2 pi r, and then we have a second, let's call s 4 pi. So if we want to find the center, that's going to be the average of the two, where we do r plus s over 2. So that would equal negative 2 pi plus 4 pi over 2, which is 2 pi over 2, which just simplifies to pi. So we have a center of pi. Then we have our distance, d, is going to be the absolute value of s minus r over 2. So that gives us 4 pi minus negative 2 pi over 2, which 4 pi minus a negative is really plus 2 pi. So 4 pi plus 2 pi is 6 pi over 2, the absolute value, which is 6 pi over 2, which is 3 pi. So we have c equals pi, d equals 3 pi. So if we input that into our format, we have x minus pi is equal to 3 pi, which matches up with answer choice A.